Okay, I'm going to solve problems for box and whisker plot. So here is question number 1. Here is box and whisker plot is given. We need to find the median. How much is going to be median? Median is right this one. This is the median. So it's going to be how much? M is going to be equal 5, right? That's going to be your median. Okay, next. What are the upper and lower quartile of the data set? Let me clean this. What are the upper and lower quartiles? So where do we have lower quartile? It's going to be right this one. Where we have upper quartile, it's going to be right this one. So we have low quartile, which is going to be equal 4, and upper, it's going to be equal 7. Yes? All right. How about interquartile range? Interquartile is equal Q free. Let me mark down here. Q free is upper. I can put this way. And this is Q1. So it's equal Q free minus Q1. Q free is my upper quartile, which is going to be 7. And Q free is, Q1 is a lower quartile, which is going to be 4. And interquartile is 3. Okay, now looking at the box and whisker plot, what can we say? Is the data set skewed to the left, to the right, or symmetric? The data set is skewed to the right. See this, we have here more distance than here, right? So it's skewed to the right. All right. Moving to question number 2. Use the accompanying dataset to complete the following actions. Find the quartile. We need to find the first quartile, second quartile, third quartile to be able to find the interquartile, right? And then identify if we have outlier. So this is what is given. I sort it out in Excel and threw it here, so I don't have to spend time here and sort it out, because to find any quartile, you have to have data in ascending order, remember? Okay, now let's see how many we have here, how many elements we have here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So which is going to be after 7, we will have 15 divided by 2 is 7. So the 8th one will be our second quartile, right, or median. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is going to be our median. Let me use blue color so it will be seen. This is our median, which is our second quartile as well. 62. Next, so we have left here 7. What is going to be median for the first quartile? So what you do to find all 3 quartiles, you have to start from the median one, right? And then you go find the quartile for the low part and then for upper part of data set. Now in the low part we have another 7, right? So which means 58 here, free there. 58 is going to be our first quartile, right? And first quartile is going to be 1, 2, 3, this 64. See, we have 1, 2, 3 here, 1, 2, 3 here. So it's going to be, third one, it's going to be 64. Okay, next we need to find interquartile IRQ, which is pretty simple, Q3 minus Q1. It's going to be 64 minus 58, it's going to be 6. So it's not much spread, it's only 6. And identify outlier. What is going to be outlier looking at database? Remember what is outlier? The one that is spread it far away. So I'm looking 54, 55, 9, 61. They are close to each other, maximum difference by 2. And all of the sudden 78 where difference come by 13. So 78, it's going to be possible outlier. Okay? Moving to question number 3. So we need to identify 5-number summary. What is 5-number summary? It's a minimum, max, right? And then Q1, Q2, Q3. Okay, what is going to be minimum? Obviously, minimum and maximum are going to be outliers at the end of whiskers. So it's going to be minimum, it's going to be 883. Maximum, it's going to be 2094. Those are possible outliers, right? Q1, it's going to come down. Right, see, it's mentioning here 1251. And this one obviously says 1916, 1916. And median, which is Q2, is 1550, right? 1550. Okay? That's how we read. Moving to next question. Another one like that. Well, let's see. This one's going to be easy. Minimum is 11. This one is 20, right? So it's Q1, it's 14, Q2 is 16, and Q3 is 18. So 14, 16, and 18. All right? You know what for whisker plot is, right? But a box and whisker plot. If you watch the lecture, you would understand this is analysis tool. Box and whisker plot, it lets you identify if there are outliers, like here, see 10, 11 and 20, and if the data set is skewed to the right or skewed to the left, or it is symmetric. And which one is, how much is the Q1, Q2, Q3, maximum, minimum, which are the practically very important. All right, so here we are given database. And I forgot to arrange here. So let's arrange here. What's going to be 2 and 2. 1, 2, 3, right? There is no anymore. 2, 2, 2. Next is coming 4. What else is coming? 6, 6, 6. What else? 7, 7, 7. And then 8, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I didn't leave out anything, right? So how many total we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Okay. 19 divided by 2, 9. So the 10th one will be our median, which is Q2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this is going to be our median, or Q2. 7. So taking out this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The low boundary, the low part, 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah. So the fifth one, 6. Did I miss? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Ah, I missed 5. There we go. Okay. I missed here 5. And I can hear you screaming, you missed 5. Okay. Never mind, starting over. So we have now, very interesting, we are going to get now even number, right? So how many we had? I didn't even pay attention. 1, 2, 3, 4, oops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, so we have even number. What do? We take middle 2. So we take 10 and 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. Ten and 11, so median will be, average gonna be 7 anyway, right? Now let's find Q1. So so it's gonna be 10 total. It's gonna be 10, the whole this piece. So the average is gonna be 5th and 6th element, right? The mean of 5th and 6th element. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So it's going to be 5.5, the average, right? Next, Q3, another 10, right? It's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8 and 9, these two, right? Average is going to be 8.5. Okay, we got it. So the next one is going to be minimum, which is going to be 4. No, 2, I'm sorry. I was staring at the original problem. 2. And maximum is going to be 9. Okay. Moving to question number 6. And based on 5.5 and based on these 5 elements here, this is how it's gonna look, our box and whisker plot. And it looks like it's symmetric, right? Besides of outlier at the minimum 2. 9, it doesn't look like outlier because we have 8 and 9, right? Okay, moving to question number 6. So use the bottom line is we need to find out what shape is that. Is box and whisker plot symmetric, skewed to the left, skewed to the right or none of it. As you can see clearly, it's skewed to the right. See that? It's skewed to the right. So and the last one, it's going to be same thing, but we need to see this one is going to be symmetric, right? Perfect symmetric. Okie dokie. Hopefully this will help you to work on your homework. See you next video.